Yeah.
I have another interview tomorrow though, and I'm not gonna be able to scrim from 6 to 8.
Oof.
Oh,
'Cause
nards.
They made my interview at 5, and it's gonna be a 30-minute interview, and it's 45 minutes away.
Oof.
So if you guys can do an 8 to 10, I can set that up. Or if we can't do 8 to 10, then let's see better.
Let's do 8 to 12.
I would say we cannot stay up past 10 p.m.
We're
Yes, I
gamers.
can. It's a
Fucking
Friday
little
game.
baby.
I can't choose a hero.
It's Friday night.
Oh,
I think we could be late, right?
But
I
I
can't
can't
stay up
be
until
there.
10
I have
'cause I'm a little
to go
bitch.
to work
I'm a
at
little
9
bitch.
p.m. Eastern Standard
I
Time.
can't play video games past 10 or else my mom
Holy
will fucking
fuck,
kill
dude!
me.
I'm gonna fucking shoot you in the head.
Do it.
My mom
Save
will
us.
fucking
Shut up.
yell at me if I don't. If
Why
I
are you
don't.
guys echoing?
Holy
It's
fuck,
if you're sitting on
dude.
each other's
Because Ski's mic
It's
is
'cause
garbage.
Ski, yeah.
Ski's an idiot.
What? That's so
Wait, that's
common.
not.
He's a stupid head.
What are we playing here?
Ryan. Sorry.
Shut up, Mateo.
Fix your fucking mic, idiots.
It is
Farrah. Farrah
Maybe it's your headset that's
Mercy,
broken then.
Ana,
fixed. It's fixed.
and Widow.
There's no more echo,
Maybe
right?
it's just this idiot forehead.
What do I play?
Ana.
Shut up, Matteo.
You shut up, idiots. Ski
Ash
poops.
Doomfist should be good here because of the verticality, so this should be fine.
Alright.
Yeah, but Ski sucks. I'm just joking.
It's
That's the only.
almost your
Doomfist
bedtime,
is the
Matteo.
only thing Ski's good
It's almost your bedtime.
at. Doomfist is the only thing Ski's good at.
Not true.
They're holding
At least
on
I
the
gave
right.
you credit. I could have said you shit.
I'm anti. Ow.
Tracer's on me up here. She's one. I'm dead.
Run half already.
Yep.
Sorry, no other.
Ryan, no charge.
Tracer on me.
Start kiting back. Start kiting back. Shield got blocked.
Runs half.
Backing up.
We're pushing up. Chill.
Yeah, just keep kiting back. We're fine. One Tracer. Tracer no recall.
Ash back bottom left.
Let's start pushing left.
Who's on their high
Behind us?
ground? Who's on their high ground?
Oh, it's me.
I don't think anyone's on their high ground. Nobody's on their high ground.
Yeah, no one's boat.
They're
On us
holding
back
to the
right.
right of it. They're holding to the right of it.
Run deep, run deep, run deep, run deep.
Come on. Watch for Shatter. Watch for Shatter. He's down.
Sorry on the left too.
Pushing Lucio. Lucio low on point.
I'm sorry behind you. And Ash.
Tracer actually won. I'm on Zarya. I'm one.
I'm reloading.
You pushing Lucio.
The Tracer used Pulsar? I think I heard it.
Ryan, move up with me.
I heard it too.
Ryan, move up with me.
Sorry, if they did.
I didn't hear it.
Ana also
Seem
move
to not
up
be
with
hearing
me.
any ultimate
Huge
moves,
dynamite.
though.
I have Shatter. He should have Shatter too.
Yep. Okay, back up. Not that far up. We have to kite back.
I jumped.
Okay, they're wasting Shatter. We don't want to actually fight them there. We just want to keep them as far away from us as possible. So if they move up on us, we got to start backing up.
I think we can push up that far without a Lucio, because they have a Lucio and we don't. They're just gonna be able to speed into us like they did, and we can't back up quick enough. Tracer on the high ground. Should we go for pulse?
I can grab.
Damage juice me.
I'm actually 1 HP. I can't grab. I don't know what's happening.
You're looking at the
looking at
Tracer.
I can't res. Oh, I can res that. Oh.
Probably should have just res ski.
I have Bob?
Never mind,
Wait, I have Bob, they don't have Ana.
He's looking for his Shatter.
Sorry, I was
They
behind.
canceled beat.
Ryan dead.
Huge!
Zarya one behind. Zarya one dead.
Wait, Bob
I got
actually did
Bob,
something.
huge.
Bob actually did something.
Bob.
Yo, I better see that in the YouTube video so I can show my fucking girlfriend so she doesn't break up with me.
Thanks.
But you can't carry her to GM, so she wants to break up with you.
Pretty much how it goes. I'm gonna grab here.
3 of my accounts are GM, so...
Tracer mine.
Yep. I don't have shield. Now I do.
Can you get a ski? I'll shoot you.
I actually yeeted her.
Tracer
Yeah,
on the left.
there's a nice brain on that Tracer.
Tracer's high ground.
Stairs.
She's actually. She actually got
Sorry,
outplayed.
sorry.
Yeah, I'm on her. She's one. She's
One, nice.
I'm
Big.
pushing. I don't
I
have
think
shield
Ryan got
shield.
close spawn. Yeah.
Ryan's here.
The supports outplayed the Tracer. Nice. Go up, Johnny.
I was trying to be AFK. Huh?
Okay. You want AFK? I'll
We don't
heal.
have shields with us.
Nope,
I don't have
so
shield
they
for
know.
you.
I'm here.
I have shield now.
Are we
Hey,
pushing?
you ski. Keep running away.
His plan is to run away and then blame you for
Where's
not healing.
Scar? There's Scar.
I know.
Sorry, no projected.
No, I'm not healing.
Big
you.
shredder upcoming.
Yeah, they have shatter.
He's gonna punch me, Shatter.
Got you.
Keep focusing shield.
Shield slow. I'm on Doom. Doom 1.
Are we winning?
Can't res that.
Possibly. It's still winnable. They have grab as well.
Do one. Alright, okay.
I'm pinned.
Oh, well.
Alright, we lost the game.
Yep. Just go next.
Doom one.
They have grab. They have shatter. They probably have nano.
Oh no! Oh no!
They have pioneer.
There's no ability to do this. Oh, damn.
They have everything
Shit,
except Doom.
shit,
Kill me.
He's leaving.
You're leaving. I'm asleep. Nice shield.
Alright,
Kill the idiot.
they don't have sleep, dude. I can just bob in the forehead and
Bob in.
Do it. Bob the Ryan.
like this.
Yeah.
I
No,
missed.
not like that. Ryan.
Ryan.
Punch dead. No more.
Get him, Bob.
Like this. Misses.
Quick, pocket Bob.
I'm damage boosting.
Oh, Kimmy,
gone.
okay. Walk forward.
Sorry, we were pocketing Bob.
Yeah. Sorry. Only good member on the team.
Yeah.
He's
I've
the only
got-
reliable one, inconsistent.
I have grab. I'm going to grab this fight.
Shatter this one.
I'm gonna
And
nano
he's
someone
not.
right
Up-
And he's,
uppercut
and he's
shatter.
not toxic.
Ryan's F.
I'm just going to grab.
I'm backing.
Literally grabbing her.
Dude.
We should coordinate uppercut shatters.
You mean Bob shatters?
I never think of it. I guess
Or
Ski
that-
never thinks of it either.
This he never plays Doom anymore.
He's trying to prove he's not a Doom one trick.
That's why we're losing our scrims.
Ski, you're actually a really good player. Like, I'm not being sarcastic. You're very good.
Yeah, good one.
Over Pootie Pie now? Oh.
He has more subs. I just checked.
Yeah.
Who has more subs?
Booty pie.
Than whom? Ninja?
No.
T-Series.
T-Series.
Ninja?
Ninja's nowhere even close.
What?
I don't know, I just thought maybe he's streaming. And you're talking about Twitch subs?
I have more Twitch subs than Ninja.
Me too.
What do you want me to? Oh, we're doing it again.
Are we doing Gidget Mercy?
Yeah. Let's do it.
It's where the 4 members of our team do whatever it is they like doing, and then we carry 2v6.
Orisa Hog Diva.
That's fine. That's an acceptable comp.
Orisa on this map.
I clicked the wrong button.
Oh, it looks like Ski clicked the wrong button too, unfortunately.
Unknown Diva?
Wait, what? What are we doing?
I don't know
Doing
why
what
Ski
Ski
got
wants to do,
Thor.
yeah.
Why don't we run Ash here?
I guess we're pocketing
Uh,
Torb right now.
You understand Torb is a good hero, right?
I don't think so.
No.
It's
he's
a
good.
myth.
He's good. Torb is good.
We're pocketing the silent.
Oh yeah, when you want to lose. My bad.
Yeah.
Why is he so small?
If we all stay on this boat, we can just set sail when they try to hit
There
us.
we go.
That's pretty good.
No damage boost me and no spot.
Yeah,
no
boost me.
Nate spot, dude. Fog ready.
Where are you? Oh.
Wait, I'll do it too. We can double nade him. A combo.
Bam. Easy.
Wait, if they get antied and grenaded at the same time, then they
We
actually
did
die.
exactly 92 damage.
No, I'm pretty sure that's the extra damage that you grant, isn't it?
Oh, Diva touch,
What
Diva
do,
touch.
what do we do
It's all
here?
my
We don't have a
damage. It's all
Diva.
his damage.
Alright. I'm dead now.
Like, I actually just don't know what we're supposed to do there.
It's pretty hard to play as a team
Lucio
when
on?
members of your team are trying
Ram
really
on?
hard not to do.
Like, that was just really weird. I was
In a
just kind of
minute,
standing
and no
there.
one's popping off. Okay.
I can't solo drop to contest on Hog.
It's because we didn't have the Diva.
You said Orisa Hog or
We
Diva.
also
I
had- we
went
also
Hog.
had THURS.
No, I said Risa Hog Diva.
We
I said
still
all
have THURS.
three.
You said Hog / Diva.
Widow sleeping.
As
Yeah,
in
damages,
pick
damages,
either
damages.
Hog or Diva.
I'm resing the thrower. Where are you?
I got her. Never mind. That's a fucking brutal combo. Holy shit.
Oh wait, there's do you sleep memer?
I got Bob.
Reloading.
Right on. Push Lucio.
This is one.
The Widow right in front of me.
I'm around the corner.
Here,
He's
There's
Widow.
one. There's one. There's one. Let me rest.
Wait, you just memed that widow.
Yeah, damage me, and I'll fuck their moms, dude.
Huh?
Alright.
Wait,
I'm
do I get
around.
to tag team?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough.
Let's do kill their mom. Alright, the moment they use sleep dart, let me know.
Widow's walls.
She's by him, right?
Ow.
Ash's boat.
Just play smart, don't peek right now if you're squishy.
I'm always squishy.
Oh, nice.
Fogger.
Is that Mateo's nickname for you?
Sometimes.
Gross.
Depends what day it is.
This huge torque turret. Right in their face.
It's a Chad torp turret.
Bye, Bob.
I didn't mean it that, I'm gonna be honest.
Nice knowing you.
I'm gonna break his shield here. Keep shield up. I'm actually just gonna ruin their Bob as well. I'm not gonna ruin their Bob.
Oh, I'm reloading, dude. Fuck me.
Nice.
Ash's bottom right. Might be going high ground.
Alright, guys.
No, it's okay. We're gonna see if we can give them 6 ults with 1 Roadhog before you die.
Most likely.
Fuck.
Oh,
I'm on the
no.
right side.
You mean I can res
And they
it?
still have Grav.
Yeah.
They still have pretty much everything. They're probably even close to Bob again.
I'm sorry,
Just
Grav.
for farming.
Let's go.
They grab 100%.
I'm Valking, go in.
I'm focusing shield.
Sorry, one on high ground. She's gonna grab behind us.
Half.
Sorry, it's half.
Oh.
I'm breaking his shield. The
Think
shield's
this
broken.
damage.
Pulling him in. Kill this idiot. I had to reload. He's one. That's so unlucky.
There's still one.
Sorry, a half. Sorry, a half.
No.
Their shield's probably gonna be low if he puts it up.
Sorry, dude.
I have ult.
She's working again.
Oh
Reloading.
shit, I can't see you, unknown.
Where's my mercy pocket? I'll shit myself.
Wait, did I just? Huh?
Do it.
Did
Huh?
I just? Did I just shoot their dynamite away from us?
What?
No, I think I hit it with my
It
shield.
was.
Can you blow up the dynamite as the
No.
enemy?
I saw
No.
it come towards us and I shot it. And
They're
it
above
went
us,
up.
shatter.
Yeah, I'm
They're
backing
shatter.
up.
Sleeping, sleeping.
Backing up. Just start cutting back. I'm gonna pull Ryan down.
No.
Oh, I got Zarya. Whoops.
No.
That's a big set.
They're not pushing car. We
Battle
can
Mercy.
group up.
Does
That
anybody know
charge
my nano?
barely touched me.
We can group up and contest. Group up and contest. We're fine.
Did I know Mercy or
We have Bob for
Hog?
next push.
Ash is on far right side near
Bob
the
on
water.
the cart. Bob on the cart.
We have Bob. We have Bob.
Start
Yeah,
walking
yeah.
up. Start walking up. We have to walk up.
Slap speed.
nice
Bob
brain.
could test.
They use sleep.
I got you.
Go Bob. Go
Someone
Bob.
needs to.
I'm out there. I'm out there. I'm out there.
Yeah.
Nice Bob.
I can't touch if I'm slept.
So
I
you're
didn't
saying
have LOS occurred.
I thought somebody else.
Let
would've been able to
Johnny
walk
heal
up.
you. Let Johnny heal you.
We all respawn at the same time.
Why isn't Ski talking? Screaming?
Vinny, can you use Zarya?
he's focusing on Torb.
I could. I'm actually destroying their shield though. I actually don't think this is a bad pick.
I would really like a Zarya.
Okay, I will switch.
Run.
Sorry, half?
What? Nice.
I'm resing Ferrari.
You want me to just jump off?
Yeah, jump off.
Okay.
Or
I was just trying to.
Wait, I'm gonna res. I'm gonna res. I'm gonna res him.
Johnny.
Here, can you go down and run?
Yeah, jump off.
Hi, Bob again.
I knew it was a meme, but I didn't want to walk all the way back.
Mercy, you can go with Tiger on here.
Actually,
Right side, right side, right side.
That's bad.
Nano
What
blade.
the fuck, dude?
Wait, you actually got memed.
Wait a minute, yeah.
Ryan's half, 1 point.
It's okay, guys. I'm Zarya now.
I'm reporting you.
Me?
Wave shattered.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. I'll report you then.
Okay. It's like
So I guess it just cancels out.
suicide back.
Kind of cancels out.
Ryan has.
He's sleeping, sleeping.
Can you damage with Storebolt? Because I'm doing it.
I don't think so.
I got boobs. Just give
I
that
can
on.
heal you.
Give
I
it
can
on.
heal you. Pick me. I know.
Bob and I actually almost said Bob again. This is stupid.
Bob and Bob.
Ash is broken.
Well, like Bob
What
and
if you... Never mind. That's actually Zero Brain.
Well, I don't understand. I want to hear your brain.
No way.
It's hot.
Watch the dynamite.
Kind of cute.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Sleeping.
I
Really?
literally didn't touch him.
Well, maybe it wasn't you that woke him up then.
It was,
It
but
was.
it was very fucking weird. Like my laser was on him. I saw him sleep. I got off him, and he woke up almost immediately. Which is weird.